Welcome, dreamers and doers. Today, we're embarking on a transformative journey with the only video you need to get rich. This isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about discovering your true potential and learning how to turn your dreams into reality. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Segment 1, Mindset Shift. Let's start with the foundation of all success, your mindset. Imagine waking up each morning filled with a sense of possibility, a deep belief that you can create the life you want. This shift in mindset is the first step to financial freedom. Your thoughts shape your reality. What does that mean? It means that how you think about money, success, and yourself matters immensely. If you see money as a source of anxiety, it will always elude you. But when you view it as a tool for growth and freedom, doors will start to open. Think about this. Every successful person you admire, be it an entrepreneur, an artist, or a leader, started with a vision. They didn't just want to get rich, they wanted to make a difference, to live life on their terms. By embracing this mindset, you can start to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Segment 2, Actionable Steps. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's talk about actionable steps. Inspiration is essential, but it's the actions you take that will bring your dreams to life. Here's a step-by-step plan to guide you. 1. Create a budget. Begin by understanding where your money goes. This isn't just about restriction, it's about empowerment. Tracking your income and expenses allows you to take control of your financial life. Imagine sitting down at the end of each month, knowing exactly where your money went and feeling proud of your choices. That's freedom. 2. Save with purpose. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. Why 20%? Because it creates a safety net for you and allows you to invest in opportunities as they arise. Visualize this savings as your ticket to freedom, a fund that opens up possibilities for travel, education, or starting your own business. 3. Invest early. Don't wait to invest. Even if it's a small amount, starting early can lead to significant growth over time. Compounding interest is a powerful ally in building wealth. Picture your money working for you, growing quietly in the background while you focus on what you love. 5. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Spend time learning about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. There are countless resources available: books, podcasts, online courses. Imagine waking up every day, excited to learn something new that can enhance your financial journey. 5. Create multiple income streams. Consider side hustles or passive income opportunities. This could be anything from freelancing to investing in real estate. Think about the freedom that comes from having multiple streams of income. No longer will you be solely reliant on a single paycheck. By taking these actionable steps, you're not just dreaming of wealth, you're creating a blueprint for your future. Segment 3, Real Stories. Now let's ignite your passion with real stories of triumph. These stories remind us that success is not reserved for a select few. It's attainable for anyone willing to put in the work. Meet Sarah, a single mother who was struggling to make ends meet. She worked 2 jobs but found it hard to get ahead. One day, she decided enough was enough. "I wanted to show my kids that hard work pays off," she says. Sarah started a small online business selling handmade crafts. It wasn't easy. She had to learn about marketing, customer service, and financial management. But with every challenge, she grew stronger. Every late night and early morning was worth it, she shares, her eyes shining with pride. After 2 years, Sarah turned her side hustle into a thriving business, allowing her to quit one of her jobs and spend more time with her children. Her journey teaches us that success is built on perseverance and courage. Then there's Mike, who was drowning in debt after college. He felt hopeless, but instead of giving up, he made a plan. He committed to living frugally, cutting unnecessary expenses, and focusing on paying off his loans. I had to believe that I could change my situation. Mike reflects. Over 5 years, he worked tirelessly, and now he's debt-free and saving for his dream home. These stories show that with determination and the right actions, anyone can turn their life around. Segment 4. Overcoming challenges. Every journey is filled with challenges. This video teaches you how to face those fears head-on. Failure is not the end, it's a lesson, says a successful entrepreneur. When you embrace failure as a part of the journey, you open yourself up to growth. Think about a time when you faced a setback. Instead of letting it define you, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Each obstacle is an opportunity in disguise.